We in Turks and Caicos, baby. So we is in the church van. If I see you and I don't speak, that means I don't fuck with you. So this is our home for the weekend. This thing is all in my head. Teresa had told Rachel and Charity that she was my best friend. Yeah. And that you ain't have no other, that I ain't have no other best friend.
That's a lie.
We had a time tonight. It's like probably 3 o'clock in the morning, and we have to go back to the place where we got the clear bowl pictures. We got to go back because they wasn't able to finish all of our pictures because the sun started. The sun started setting. I wish I had a different angle for y'all because this angle is really not doing what needs to be done. I have a mess, and I'm not even gonna clean up right now because I know that we got to get up early to make it to these damn clear boat pictures. Oh, here my thing is right here. So I just wanted to check back in with y'all before I forget to pick the camera up. I'm tired. I'm a little tipsy. I'm not like 100% intoxicated. I'm just a little tipsy. So I'm gonna carry my ass to bed. I drank the whole bottle of water so I can make sure I don't wake up sick. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I'm doing it because it seems like the right thing to do. Drink some water to make sure I won't be sick in the morning. Oh, I'm tired. I'll see y'all in the morning. It's Sunday today. Let me wipe y'all off. It's Sunday. Last day here, and we are heading back to the clear bowl pictures because some of us didn't take our pictures yesterday.
My motherfucking time was had last night.
It was.
This shisha lounge don't owe us shit.
Don't owe us nothing. And yes, I am the one driving. Driving this van.
Nina, you the last one?
Then we're doing Jetcars after we finish these pictures. It's 8:38 in the morning. We didn't go to bed till like 3, 4. No, it was 4 o'clock when we went to bed. Oh, you talking about Teresa not wanting to share?
Yeah, I said, can I have a cherry? Now you don't be wanting to share.
I didn't even know you had no cherries. How much was the cherries?
6 or 7.
Oh, that wasn't horrible.
Girl, for this little ass container.
Shit, cherries at home be high.
I just buy a big bag.
Did you get the water stuff? No, I got my water I had upstairs.
All right, yeah, I'll be back once we get there.
Oh, they are.
All right, so we got done with our clear boat pictures, and I switched swimsuits so that we can do the Jetcars. So I am going after them because they only got 2 cars. So yeah, it's gonna be a minute. It's gonna be an hour before I can go out. They said they had fun. Y'all had fun?
Yeah. I was whipping it.
You was whipping it? Oh! I guess they showing them how to operate it. Oh, we gotta put life vests on?
You gonna want to?
I wanna show my swimsuit. Did he do the drone? Did they do the drone footage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did they give it to y'all? They put it on y'all phones?
I think Toya said 48 hours.
Oh, okay.
You send them your email and all that.
Okay.
I was like, I got
your sunglasses on, but you need glasses.
Listen, I got footage when shit got real. It's like, I'm like,
Dang. Yeah.
this shit was so funny.
Oh, so you're doing it by yourself or
She going with me.
That's fine.
Yeah. Just so I ain't gotta do it by myself. Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna drive this time. I'm gonna let her take the wheel.
Right. Yeah, now it's my turn to get on the jet car. Why is my damn memory thing is low? I just put that in there. It's a brand new memory card. Don't piss me off. I'm a YouTuber, yeah. They got us on this island. Man, them jet skis is hard to operate. My muscles, I was putting my muscles to work. Turn it off for a second if you want to. I got Teresa with the GoPro. She probably like, I did not fucking sign up for this shit.
I got it, girl. I got it.
You know how it is when you got a friend that's an influencer. All of a sudden her friends that got promoted. Promoted to cameraman. You have been promoted. It's one of my elite employees.
Do you know what kind of thing that is? It's real.
Really? Oh, that's the iguana? Oh, wait, y'all, look. It's an iguana. Oh, wow. He's so cute. How you know?
Time to go. What was it called again? Half moon. That's right. You gonna catch up? I'm gonna be sexy. I can't be sexy because I'm like this. Like the instant wave, right? Let's go for it. He gonna catch up. He on the I'm trying to make sure I'm going the right way. Can't get the beat live. JoJo Neal from the north side. Any shorts?
Yeah, sharks come around this area.
Really? Ooh.
Yeah, they're sharks.
You should have said that. You should have led with that.
No, they're
comfortable.
They like, where y'all going to a funeral? We all got black on.
Always shaking your ass. I mean, if I had an ass, I would probably always shake it too. Ooh, Jayla, that is cute.
Thank you.
You got all the cute outfits. Yes.
Okay.
You got a Valentina?
This was as good as
what you got? A Prada and what's the other one? What's the one that come in the robot looking bottle? The bottle looks like a robot. That's the bottle is. I mixed them too.
Yeah, together it smells like Valentine.
I like mixing because I don't like smelling like the next bitch in the club.
You have to mix. That's how you create your own scent.
I don't know what I'm doing. I just mixed it because I see the other people mixing
That is
it.
how y'all create.
So I don't even know how.
With Daisy.
Do you?
Whatever, I gotta throw Daisy on top of it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Lexi, she
like
be
that's
giving
my
that
signature
shit.
scent.
Is
like
it?
Daisy, and I left it in the car, which is sad.
I've never mixed them.
But
I need some edge control.
Anything in Daisy.
And
Because I don't know what would smell good together.
That's
your body scent is gonna do it.
Let me squeeze in here with you.
My friend keep claiming she be doing this.
What?
Like, Dad, you do not be doing that.
That is gross if she do. That is gross. So let's hope that's not what she's doing.
Like, you know how people just be saying stuff and kind of like because they think it sound good. Like, girl.
Like, why? Why would you even tell somebody
What was the first day you did that? What made you say that?
Like, even if you did do that, like, what makes you tell somebody?
You know what made her say it? When the Erykah Badu perfume shit came out and she was saying it's the center of coochie.
Oh,
she's like, that's what I wear all the time. I always just. What? You don't. Because I don't be saying.
I know what coochie smells like.
Yeah, even if it don't smell bad.
Yeah,
you know
it smells like coochie.
what it smells like.
Coochie smells like coochie.
Yes. I'm glad you said that.
Good or bad? It's just coochie. It has a coochie smell. Alright, y'all. We are. Oh, you cute. That looks so comfortable. That looks comfortable.
What? Take pictures of their toes. Who do that? Everybody put their feet in the sun.
Put their feet in. Like we playing double dutch in a dish.
Who said they about to double dutch from?
You did it.
Somebody
said.
I could have sworn. I could have sworn.
The first day, somebody said y'all had double dutch in my bag. We gonna play outside.
Who said that? Charlie, was that you?
Yeah, we both went trip.
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay, so you
Because I said I ain't never double dutch before.
Oh yeah, we said that was a black girl staple.
Yeah.
Who ain't never double dutch before?
Me?
What?
You ain't from Country Club.
I am from Country Club. Alright, y'all. So we are back from, what time is it? We getting ready to head out to go to dinner at the Conch. Is that how you say it? Conch Shack. I done got really caramelized. Look at that melanin. I'm dark. Like, I'm red at this point. Jetcars was super fun. I'll give y'all more details on the Jetcars later. Just in case y'all do Jetcars. Not even if y'all don't come to Turks, like they have Jetcars in other places. The top of my dress is so wet from my hair right now. But we are getting ready to head out for dinner. My camera has been acting up. Okay, I just had like a whole situation where it would not connect to the lens, and I really was about to cry about it because why are you broke? So hopefully I can finish this freaking vlog without having to replace my fucking camera, because if I do, I'm literally gonna lose my mind. I just got this damn camera. So let's see if the girls are ready so we can head on out. Oh, let me show y'all my outfit. Nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular. I just got this black, it's like a t-shirt dress from Target. The LV bag, some Tory Burch. I had my Christian Dior sandals, but the Conch Shack is on the beach and I don't want to wear those on no damn beach. So we're gonna go with the Tory Burch because we don't care about these getting messed up. At least I don't care about mine getting messed up. I don't know about y'all, but you know. Y'all ready? What time is it?
It just popped up on mine.
All right, let's go. Let's ride. Let's ride. Party people, get on the floor. All we do is give them more. Let's ride. I knew her ass was gonna join in. Knew she was gonna join in. Y'all lights out? Girl, we gotta go. We got 7 o'clock reservations. Make sure y'all lights out.
I think I turned ours off. Don't check, please. Thank you.
I got on some seamless drawers that are up my ass right now. I shouldn't have worn no drawers at all.
Right.
If they was finna be doing all that. Okay, it is Monday and we are packing up, so we can go back home, honey. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. We got one person whose flight leaves at 11. The rest of us, our flights don't leave until like 3:30. Yeah, we are at the airport. Huh? Jay, look.
Look at her purse. She got That's so perfect. What? I'm over it. Thanks, Bill.
Yeah, it is a Monday and we are at the airport. It's crowded as shit in here. And it's small, so ain't no damn space. So we just got some seats. But our flight doesn't leave until like another couple of hours. So we're gonna be hanging out here for a while. That's what Jayla just did. Let's go get her something to eat.
I think I'll be here for a minute.
Yeah, and I don't want to be on my phone because I don't want my battery go down. I don't see no charging ports up here. They sitting outside. Oh, that's cool. Oh, no, it's hot outside.
Who outside?
Some people out there.
Oh.
Sitting.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're at the airport, getting ready to go home. It was a nice trip. Shanika already left. She left before everybody. Her flight left like at 11 something. Teresa threw up
A few times.
She made us pull over so that she can puke. And the crazy part about it is that she didn't drink. You didn't drink at all yesterday, did you? Or you have a little something? What the fuck are you throwing up for?
I think it's the front. Oh, I did have one.
Oh.
But I didn't even get tipsy off that. I didn't feel that at all.
As long as you feel better, because I felt bad because you was just like,
no,
you looked miserable.
Yeah, until they come out, I will feel miserable.
Jayla, she puked, but we didn't have to pull the truck over and she went to the bath. Or did she? Did she say she?
I don't know.
But Jayla had stuff to drink. She had quite a few drinks yesterday.
Jayla had nothing but drinks.
Yeah, I don't think Jayla had anything else in her system but alcohol, if we're being completely honest. Y'all good? Y'all look like y'all looking for something. I'm like, did we need something? Oh. Yeah. Somebody got smart with Jayla. We went to the gas station. The lady that worked at the gas station was not friendly. We are noticing that the men here are friendly. The women here, not so much. Horrible. I don't know what that's all about. Oh, they got another little shop over there. I didn't. They did. Nene and Toy. Oh.
Now I'm be doing souvenirs.
Where Rachel at?
They downstairs. They went to the other gift shop.
Oh.
They know me upstairs.
This girl goddamn. The fuck?
I threw everything up.
It looked like you was throwing up pineapples. You didn't even have no pineapples.
I had oranges.
Oh, that was oranges. Child. Yeah. What's up, y'all? It is Tuesday and we are back from Turks and Caicos. Y'all, that trip was a motherfucking movie. It was perfect. It was almost too perfect. And when I say perfect, I'm not meaning like we didn't have any hiccups. There was a few hiccups we had to figure out, but nothing like too major. It was like perfect because every single lady that was on that trip was a vibe, okay? Everybody meshed so well. And let me tell y'all something. Everybody that was on that trip did not know each other. The only people who, like, we had certain people that knew other people that was on the trip. But for example, Shanika, she only knew me. She didn't know anybody else. But baby, when I tell you, when she got around everybody else, it was like she knew them forever. My little cousin, she knew me and she knew best friend. She didn't know nobody else. But when she got around everybody, she literally like act like she had known them for forever. Same thing with everybody else. So that's what I mean when I say like it was perfect. There was like no click ups. You know how when you get a bunch of women together, they kind of click up with each other. You might have two people over there and they just kind of clicked up, and you might have 3 people over there. It was none of that. Everybody pretty much was vibing with each other. Everybody was in each other's rooms. It was a vibe when we was getting ready to go out. Like, I could not ask for nothing more for that trip. Like, I couldn't think of anything that I would change. Now, the planning part of it, there's a few things that I learned, and y'all know that this was my first trip that I've ever planned. So there was a few things that I learned that I do need to do differently as far as planning. But the trip itself, like, there is nothing that I would have done differently. The house was nice as hell. It was just enough room, if not more, for us, for all 9 of us. The excursions, oh my God, they were so fun. The people there were so nice. But we did realize that we got most of the good service from the men in Turks and Caicos, or y'all don't know how to pronounce it. Now y'all got me second guessing if I ain't even pronouncing it right. But the men there were super nice. They were complete gentlemen. Let's just put that out there. Gentlemen, not gentlemen's. They were complete gentlemen. Or am I saying it right? I need to go back to school because, baby, I need another English course. But the women there were not so nice. Now, when we went to like the Shisha Lounge, Aziza, like the women that were working there were really nice. Especially the Shisha Lounge, the women, the two ladies that we had that was bringing us like our bottles and taking our orders and stuff like that. They were super cute and they were super cool. They were a total vibe all in itself. But other places, like just little restaurants that we went to this market. It was women in there working, and they were kind of, I don't know if they were necessarily mean, but they wasn't friendly. Like, they didn't have smiles in their face. They didn't really, you know, because I'm a jokester. Not necessarily a jokester, but I'm not really friendly, but I can be friendly. Like, I can pretend to be friendly. So if I'm interacting with you, I can, like, you know, I might say a little joke, or be funny, or like, what am I trying to, like, you know what I'm saying? You know how you just interacting with somebody and you might make, you know, like a little comment, a little funny comment or something like that. That's me. I'll make a little funny comment. Baby, they ain't gonna fuck about them funny comments. They will look at you with a straight face and make you feel like what you just said was dumb as hell. Like, they won't laugh or nothing. So we did realize that with the women there. The fun police is coming out the house right now. We're about to go to the store. But everything else was amazing. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend Turks and Caicos. It was expensive. It was expensive, but me personally, I don't think it was any more expensive than other places that I've been. So don't let that deter you from visiting the island, because I feel like it's definitely worth it. It's expensive, but it's worth it. Just save your little coins and make sure you have a little money put to the side just in case, you know, something come up and you gotta pay for some shit. But yeah, I definitely think it was a worth the trip. Fun Please wouldn't act like he missed me when I came in yesterday. He was asleep, and he definitely stayed asleep. He woke up and he went right on back to sleep.
Hard work.
Is that what it is? You working hard. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Make sure y'all check back next week for a weekly vlog. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And as always, until next time.